a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and they will become one flesh.
Chẳng thấy tề phê bữa cần tổ sum tổ miền như buồn ham tài oi quẩn nó vùi tai lau há xăm nhang há vùi dù tề trao lẩu này mày là nhau như yếm hăng tỏi giảm tề trao lẩu này yếm nó chụp vàng nó tề trao này quẩn mai tao hay thành che tu
chỉ ta giờ tấm cái mà chỉ nó cũngเป็นเยอะจุดตรงที่น่าจะให้เตะตู้หัวที่ถ่ายมองไอ้เจ้า
Trên để thiên hùng chiếm làm tôi chiếm nhãn vậy buồn hải kia miền giang này liệu để trình hải thiên hùng nhẹ en xây dựng mới qua liệu mới qua
thiên hùng nghiên háo buồn bùa bà miền nín chung xía tu tông niệm mà giờ tàu ton hả tại đi bùa.
Praise God for the great turnout at the conference. We anticipated 60 couples, but ended up with 80 couples for a total of over 200 people, including some single staff members and children. The overflow situation kept some couples moving from dorm to dorm daily in order to get a place to sleep. At the first gathering, we noticed the husbands and wives were sitting separately. The men sat in one group and women in another. This was the old tradition, where the wives do not sit by their husbands in public events, especially at a feast. Usually the women are in the kitchen preparing meals while their husbands are eating at the table. To break this tradition, the first icebreaker activity was created for them to find their spouses and go to meet other couples. The objective was to have each couple to meet the most couples and remember their names, place they're from, the length of their marriage, and the number of children they have. After this activity, the couples were to sit together throughout the conference and work together as a team. In one of the lessons, we separated the men and the women to introduce the concept of husbands serving their wives. The men were taught to get breakfast to serve their wives. The women were taught to give up their place of service. They must be willing to accept their husband's service. Some ladies had tears coming down their face because this was the first time their husband ever served them. The attendees showed much desire to learn. They were very attentive to the message taught and participated in the group discussions. We taught from 7:30 a.m. until 9:30 p.m. with meal and coffee breaks in between. At the end of the evening, they requested for us to meet with them in their dorms so they could ask us more questions and ask us to pray for them. By the end of the day, we, the staff, were tired, but the attendees wanted to learn more. We created activities that require the couples to work together to achieve a common goal of winning the game. In the three-legged race, they were to create harmony in the running. The husband was not allowed to carry his wife to the finish line. A few men prefer this route instead of working together with his wife. The musical chair was an awesome game. Some of these couples had never hugged or held each other in public. This activity forced the husband to hold his wife's hand while walking in circles to find an empty chair and sit himself down when the music stops. The wife was to sit on her husband's lap. There were times where the wife accidentally sat on another man's lap. To prevent that, the husband had to pull his wife down on his lap when the music stopped. Christian love songs are very rare in Mian language and in the Mian community. We distributed over 300 CDs with love songs in both contemporary and traditional formats. They requested for more.
Với quả thiên hùng ngay tụng quả con khảo quả xiếc phun bùa ngoài kia hỏi tăng giàu
Traditionally, the husband and wife don't have the opportunity to sit and laugh together. Life was always serious. The conference created an atmosphere where they can laugh together and learn together as a couple. At this activity, we asked them to write down their pains and sorrow on a piece of paper and nail it to the cross. Almost all the people in the auditorium got up and went forward to nail their pains and sorrows to the cross. It was an amazing picture. This activity illustrates that all the pains and sorrows of the world have been crucified with Jesus on the cross. Christians no longer need to carry them on their shoulders. Giving up these pains and sorrows to Jesus will release us from bondage, so we can forgive those that have caused us pains, especially those that caused the pains of our loved ones.
Cần giờ bình hăng nhẹ ở quân gia mà chẳng tốt của hiếu thảo hóa cõi thì cho như vô cần to cha tập gian hàng cũng phạm mấy chào tốt biệt chiến nhung bình nó sẽเป็นแต่ยึดdùng và sẽ kinh thành tự nhiên sắp nhẹ ở một tàu liền có suất như cần nhẹ chậm mẹ và bình hăng nhẹ các bạn năm treo hồ tùng yếm nó quỷ nhẹ treo hồ ở mà chỉ năm đó mà chỉ những program thể hiện tốt sắm và mà làm tòng tôi như cần sáu thì những hóa tỏi hiện liệu mới đọc khu sẽ tổng có đọc trong hồ tổng của phía tổng bộ muôn nhiệt tàn in hấp tại vùng bộ tàu miền tổng quân hấp như miền từ ba bên tổng quân thai quân tàu miền và của tôi phía chỉ với liệu của dành chân tàn sẽ chẳng xa để quân sự Chúa Giêsu
the pains and sorrows that were written on the piece of paper were taken outside and burned. This creates the picture that they no longer have ownership of those pains and sorrows anymore. The candlelight dinner was arranged to provide a special and memorable moment for the couples. The foods were elegant and included a young coconut for each couple. As the couples walked to the dining hall, they were to hold each other's hands. At the entrance, the husband had to put a flower on his wife's ear. Some ladies were embarrassed and had a difficult time accepting the flower, because receiving flowers from their husband was not something existed in the marriage, especially in the public. The husband was reminded to serve his wife by pulling out the chair for her. We asked them to share the coconut by drinking it together to demonstrate their unity in marriage. Traditionally, the husband and wife rarely talk to each other face to face. For this activity, we asked each couple to look into each other's eyes and talk. They were to apologize for their mistakes, ask each other for forgiveness, then ask God to forgive their transgressions and to provide them the strength to change. Some of them were very embarrassed. They could not pull themselves together to do this activity. Some of the women kept laughing because they could not face their husband. A few ladies were very touched by this activity because this was the first time in their life that their husband apologized to them. During the altar call, many people came forward to dedicate their lives to God. They wanted to go home and be able to have respect for each other and learn to talk problems out. Many have expressed that they have learned so much and received so much blessings from the conference. there were 7 people who received Jesus Christ as their Lord and Savior.
Tin hùng ta lao té nhị chỉ chết bên hàng phải buông cái hiếu thảo na y hoang y cho cả đồ cả xăm này sen dùn hoài y hoài này sẽ ta tu thịt sang bữa này chia tàu thịt sang bữa yếm thảo bữa mấy cuộn cuốn rồi tại giá thảo này y hoang sạch tỏi cho y bữa kia y hiếu xăm nhé liu sẽ kia hay chính hay tin hùng ở cuốn mai nằm quỷ phát tài ở nóเป็นsạch tỏi quỷ nó sẽ hay luôn hiếu hay
lên trình đến nôn tôi tài nè buổi nè giờ tôi hội hiu chăm nhung như vậy lên trình nôn tôi hội hiu thảo qua phim phim ở buôn chẳng ton xí ton là một tên là vừa bị nhau con rồi nhung vừa hăng nó tu mà hăng tu là vậy thì sang sẽ kinh khán đứt lỗ lên trình chăm
ta năm mùi sẽ bật thảo thì không nên hâm giờ thảo tiền mình vừa biển thảo con lan hâm lan mình cho không hảo
เป็นยูบัวไฮฮักแต่นอส่วนอยู่ทินหงกินโซยาพุ่งบัวอีหวังเนี่ยกินมาซ้ำให้ยังกินโซกันเยอะน้อยอยากพูดฟิแซงบัวยาตุ้ลงให้เป็นยูบัวตุ้ตาหัวหรือส่วนหรือตามีมันหลงยังยูบัวใช้ต่อยกันเยอะบัวจุปังกันเยอะ
ฟิแซงยาวเยอะว่าคุณยูบัวกินให้มาเตะให้con thằng miền có dù lẻ nó im em dù lẻ nó hay bạn thầy vừa vì buông phim dính vậy vừa hay đánh gì nhé
tận chỉ thường sáng non sẽ tối buổi nên đồng phải ở dù bị bua tụ hay biển hiếu ở dù ba dù đi tầm lại như cái chiếc bể như khủng hiểm nên là hài hang ở dòng lắm cái chiếc bể phải như tham ta con như nhiều hiếu vừa dù tận cầu sẽ thiên hùng hang anh tái năm mùi anh giáo phi sen giáo tụt nông cơ khu quang anh giáo tụt bua hay hiếu tụt con vừa tụt nông như xì là hài hang nào ở tụt họ hiếu là hài ở tụt ba bua hiếu là vừa tụt mà con thế này là chỉ hùng tham là tụt ta
năm mùi nèแต่เท่านั้นตู้เป็นเท่าว่าให้องเที่ยวก็ปัดเทงตู้อีบัวกันยังห้องต่อยอย่าใจปัดตู้เทงไทยว่าตีน้อมห้องต่อยนั่นจะไทยเตยอย่าใจปัดน้องไห้ยินทำตายหัวกลางน้ำมวยได้ในเองให้หางเช่นฟ้ายมมวยยังเมียนอีบัวกันอย่าใจอีบัวส่วนเมียอีบัวเองให้เทงเช่นยาวตอนนี้ผมตู้ตายยังวิจิฟังเงี้ยเองให้เที่ยวโตเอเล่ทำเช่นฟ้าของเขาอิมห้องยังมวยยินทำตายหัวกลางจะไทยเตยเงี้ยห้องต่อยอิมห้องยังจิฟังอย่าให้น้องเช่นฟ้าทำเช่นมีว่าโต
ที่เห็นกินไปหาเมียนจำเนียนปะแม่ตุ๊กวางน้องหวีอีห้อยจุนเซ่หาตุ๊กวางน้องหวีเกี่ยมาเมื่อไม่กู้เงี้ยที่เต้าที่แซงสุดแต่ยาวยี่เบื่อปะกล้องตอนปุยเบื่อหมอเบื่อปะหาแรงจริงสมัยกิจด้วยนะ
ฮิวกล้องซ้ำเนี่ยยาวเท่าบัวลมจอยพร้อมต่อยจุดคอขี้ขนาดนั้นลมจอยถือล้านทำล้านถือล้านกว่าถือเป็นล้านละหายขนาดนั้นกินยาวซ้ำเนี่ยหรือนะทำไปกล้องนอมบุ๋ยนั่นนะฮัตเต้าเป็นแซงยาวเลยนะฮัตเต้าให้ลงสักแต่ลงลงอยู่นะสักแต่ทำแต่ในบัวกิ่งด้วยว่าเป็นแซงยาวต้องลงให้นี่งานแรงจริงแรงจริงช้ำกล้องบัวให้ตุ๊กตานอมบุ๋ยกิ่งให้ลงเที่ยวให้
กิ่งแรงจริงที่ผมช้ำเนี่ยเวทนั่นนอมบุ๋ยหัวที่เถาอีห้องนี่เจ้าเนาะถึงที่มันจะช้ำในจอมหัวนี่เลยนี่นอมใส่ตัวถึงที่ช้ำให้ที่ชุดขมิ้นเองช้ำเลย
thịt sang con chia nằm tòng chia nhung hà dốc thảo như mẹ hà dốc thảo như bộ phim gì sẽ kinh hà tôi đi nhặt sao chỉ yêu mang liu như dần mình sẽ tài đồng rồi em có nhiều tài em con hát thịt sang con nó dồn ham tỏi rồi họ khí như họ nọ như mình cũng hiên
như vừa mà tề như vừa dạ cái biển hiếu thọ đúng không tỏi như cháu năng nói như vừa sẽ kinh lành trình hay thiên hùng tùng vừaปุ่นหมายน้องบุ๋ยชุดตาปุ่นยีบุ๋ยจุ้มให้เปียกเหี้ยวเท่าที่นุ่งอีเจ้าช้ำจิ้นฝ่าห้องต่อยยีเจ้าอยากให้ยุตุเท่าชาวจาหอกช้ำจิ้นฝ่า
เยี่ยหนุ่มเยี่ยปีเต่าเอาแต่เยี่ยเต่าพกยาวมิงแต่เยี่ยเต่าพกยาวมิงแต่ฟาร์มเต่าพกยาวมิงแต่เฟยเต่าผู้ลงใต้ยังจอมเมียนยี่สิบเมียนยังทิ้งหงยี่สิบเมียนร้องเยี่ยแหลงก้อยเยี่ยแหลงก้อยนอนน้อยจดตู้หนุ่มเอาเสียเตาจดตุ๊กจดเอาห้ามย้อนอยู่โบ bà cố in buồn cần thôi dù như bụt giang tại giáo ye thôi dù cũng chát tại chỗ như mẹ thầy cũng ye dần thôi cái bí dần thôi thầy cũng nhiều xí toàn có cô như tao bố này thì thao gì
Therefore, what God has joined together, let man not separate.